Hello, this is Lockpicking again, and today I'm gonna make a little video about a package I received a couple days ago. And I was looking for like training sets, and I got this really cheap off eBay or Ricardo, whatever you wanna auction off. And as you can see, it's like the acrylic lock, but it's disassembled, so you have to assemble it on the back. So you got the lights on top, you got the instructions, and I like to set it up together with you guys in a little video. Alright, let's open it up, see what we got. So we got a little tension wrench here. I got a couple of tweezers from my supply just to make it easier. You got a pick. Doesn't look too bad, I have to say. I think it's okay. Let's see. Of course, we got the keys over here. Alright. Oops. There goes the spring. We got the body. Let me zoom in a little. So, alright, got the body over here. There's the spring. Then got the shackle. Put that over there. Little core. It's the keyway. And we got two tubes with some small parts like pins and springs and stuff, and another little tube with some more pins and springs. Hopefully you can see it alright. Looks good, huh? Okay, let's get the instructions step by step. Big spring, lock shackle, fixed rod. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Okay, the big spring. Goes in here. Tuck. Then we have the shackle over here. Other way around, of course. I'm sorry. I have to be careful where I'm at. Alright, we got the big spring, we got the shackle. Come on. Alright. And now I have to find the fixed rod. Alright, let's see where I find that. Not here, apparently. There it is, I found it. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Got the pins. Tuck. And here's a fixed rod. Oh, it's too tiny. There it is. Come on, buddy. Alright, there it is. Now we have to put it in the fixed rod from the side. In here. And it's pressed all down like this. Okay, so you see the little hole? Ah, shit. Sorry. Stay here, come on. So let's put it in. I hope that works without me losing it. It doesn't fit good. Let me see. No, there it is. There it is, you see. Alright, let's put it completely in. Alright, so now we are fixed. We fix the shack. This little rod. It's a pretty nice experience, I have to say. I mean, yeah. Nice little neat piece. Alright, so now we got bolts and spring. That's in the other one here. Let me open this up. Got a couple pins over there. Let me zoom on that part. That's alright, so got this one. Let me take the pins out of the way to the side over here. Alright. We don't know the order right now, so I just throw them in as I grab them. I didn't sort them or anything. So yeah, alright. Now we got this thingy here. And we got another spring, a big one. That one. Alright. So how do we assemble them? We have to put the spring in the middle. Like this. And the other one like that. So we have, no, wait. That's a little hole. Okay. I guess I have to put it in like this. Yeah, something like that. Now we have to take the body again and press down later. And see, let me really quickly read this. Push, press down. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it probably goes in like this, like this. Yeah. And now I'm kind of lost the spring. Damn. Okay, let me try it again. All right, springy. Do they have to be hooked in or just put together? Yeah. I don't believe they have to be like they have to be like this. Not I did it before. Or they have to be like this, not like this. It doesn't work. See? So they have to be like this, aligned, and then we can. So I have to take care that I'm always in focus. And I just can put them in like this. And now I have to push in here a little and put on the shackle. And there we go. Alright, so now it's locked. Great. Now we got the next part is a plug. Put this aside. We got the key. Alright, we got the key and we got the plug. Choose the different size keys. Okay, so which? This is, I believe that's it. Yeah, probably. Alright, we have to insert the key. I'm just gonna remove really quickly only one because we don't need a lot of them. Alright, almost there. Okay, that's the key. Now we're gonna insert them in the keyway, like this. And now we have to put on actually let's get the second key here to compare. I guess I'm not very experienced with these pins. Okay, let's put in one pin, see what happens. If I can get it. Come on. Can't be that hard, can it? Now I got it. Alright, as you can see, this aligns perfectly. Now we have to find the next one, the smaller one, for the one, for pin 1. That looks okay too. And the next bitting is a deep one again, a deeper one. Come on. That looks good too, huh? Ain't it? Alright. And then we got 3 left. One small one is probably the next one. A really small one. It doesn't look right, does it? No, not really. Let me get this one out. Alright. Let's try this one. That doesn't look right either. You see? Okay. Then we take the next one. Put it in. That one aligns perfectly. That's fine. That looks great. Okay, now if you see the bitting, this should be the bigger one from the two. Let's see. Perfect. See that? Great. And the last one. Then I lost it. No, just kidding. I'm very clumsy today. Alright. Everything looks great, huh? That's good. And now we can put it in the keyway. Like this. Perfect. Okay. And finally, we can put in this opening, this locking pin, or however you call this, the rod. Oh, what's the name of it? Position pin. It's also in. Oh, shoot. Almost destroyed it. So let's redo it. Zack. Okay, position pin in 7. Okay, alright, so we are back here. Now we have to set the driver pins. What the hell was that? Alright, never mind. Let me check out the manual. Driver pin go in like this. And they should be all the same. All the same. just gonna load them really quick, so... No, sorry. What the hell? Come on. Alright, one more. And then we're using the springs. That looks good, doesn't it? Now we have a couple springs to set. We got the stronger one. This one. This goes with a position pin. And then we got springs for the regular pins. And you just put it in, 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 and in. Okay, so now if we remove the key, oh shoot, that wasn't the smartest idea for me. How can I remove the key? Like this, perfect. Then you see the pins are set. Now we got this little piece to close the lock. Hopefully it stays closed. And it should open with the key. That works. Let's lock it again. Open again. Fine. Reset the key. Alright, that's it for the reverse guarding. Let me try to pick it now. So we're gonna use our tension wrench. Get some tension on. Let me put it over here. Get some tension on it. Use our pick. Let me just really quick find a way to show you what I'm doing. So we got tension on here, and then we're gonna go in the keyway and try every pin to find the one who's binding. Not binding. Nope, springy. Last one. And it's open. Well, that wasn't really a binding order or anything. It was just pick every pin really quick. Somewhere even binding. Let's try this again. Let's try to hear if... Let's try to hear the binding. Pin 1, that was binding. And we lost pin 1 again. Binding. It's really the last pin. The rest is binding anyways when I get in with the pick, because to be honest, the pick is a little too big for this kind of tension. Let's try one more time. I got my tension on. I just go to the back and probably see if you can see it, every pin is moved by my pin, by my pick. So the last one is not set. Go back. No, it's not setting. Okay. So let's do the one. I'm now at 5, and I overset the 5th pin. Let's reset it really quick. Try it again. That's why you shouldn't try to to touch the other pins when you're setting single pins. You can set come on, gotta be kidding me now. I need a different pick, to be honest. It's a little too big. Or different kind of tension would be much better. But I don't have it here right now, so alright, let's do it again. 1 is good, 2 is overset. Why? Alright. That's funny, I can't open it anymore. What's wrong? What's the heck? What's wrong? Alright, let me try it again really quickly. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. I had something wrong. You see it, hear it, and it should be open. And now the 2 is overset again. Oh, come on, I'm gonna do it the other way around. On the other side, put it in here. So, and now I try to get in really quickly, and I overset again. Come on. Okay, it's unbelievable. I opened it 2 times. 3rd time is a charm. I did it before. Come on. It's not that hard. I don't know what I'm doing wrong right now. Alright, there we go. Now it's open. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm going to disassemble the lock again, but I'm gonna do it in German. So I got the assembling in English and the disassemble in German. Alright, have a good day. See you next time. Bye bye.